So hello guys, this is the Alfa Romeo 164, and following problem is with the window regulator. So you see, I'm trying to put it down all the way, get disturbed. So what are we going to do? We're going to disassemble all the door panels, and we're going to take a closer look if the engine is broken or what is the matter there. It can also be that the window position is not so well, so that it gets disturbed, so it doesn't go up the right way. But we will see what's the problem. First step, we're going to take off the door panel, and to show you how to get off the door panel, we're gonna do a few steps. I'm going to put you through those steps, and then we're going to take a close look at the window regulator engine. So the first step will be is to pull this thing back and see there's a little screw. First disassemble this screw. So we got this screw, this is out, and the next thing you have to do is just pull this thing back. It's held by a clip you see there. The next step will be is to get this screw out, and I already got this one out. So 3 long screws to get this thing off. So now we got the screws off, and you have to watch out here. You have to pull out these cables. So the next thing is to get this out here. It's not so easy, it's a little bit difficult. You have to pull this up, and then you see it's held by 2 clips. I think the best way is just to get a screwdriver in there and try to pull it out like this. So you see, I'll show you this. You see those clips, and you see this here. So, and the next thing I do is you have to unloose all these screws down here. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if we got those screws down there, if we got those screws, what is wrong with the camera here? So if we got those screws off, you could just pull this thing off. So we got all screws out, and this is loose now, you see. And you have to watch out because it still just goes in there. But you could just pull this off like that, and it should come loose. There are clips. There are also clips. See, sometimes they break, sometimes they don't, and we still have to get rid of these cables here. So this is how it looks like when you got the under door panel off. And the next step will be we have to loosen this screw here. This is just this screw, and you got a hidden one in there. See that? I always use a screwdriver as a magnet on the top, so you won't lose this screw. And yeah, let's do it. And I almost forgot something. You see this thing here? You have to get out this screw first. So remember, this is the short one that goes down here. Put it in, and then you just can take this off. And now it's the time that, whoa, I'm gonna guys put you here. See everything. And this is another thing you have to be careful of, because this can break. So the next step I will be doing is to get rid of this here a little bit, and those clips here. See those clips? You could just pull them off like this. Put them somewhere so you don't get lost, so they don't get lost, excuse me. So you see what I meant with glue, just putting on these stripes on the window so it stays up. So I'm going to get this whole thing out here. I'm gonna got this whole thing out. You see there's one more clip on the end there. So I'm doing this the first time, so excuse me for my failed informations, but here's one more clip. And now I'm going to get this whole plastic stuff out. So this is the thing that was here, so got it all out. So there we can go and take a look inside. So we have to unscrew this down here. Will be these two screws, one here and one here. So I will just loosen these two a little bit, because in there the window sits in, and I think if you just could lose them a little bit, it will be okay. And this is the last screw. But you know what, guys, I think... Hello guys, so this is an update here. You see, you first have to remove this plug here, because the cable goes all the way to the engine of the window regulator. Yeah, so get this thing loose, and yeah, next step is to get all this thing out. So the next step is I got this regulator down here. I'm going to try to pull it out of this hole here. You see, there it is, the thing, and you just have to get a little bit the cables down and try to pull it out here. If you look at this now, you see that the regulator is broken. This is the end position, and there's nothing, no window inside, so it's this thing in there. I'm not going to open it. I think maybe we'll take a close look, but it's not the window. The window is going all the way up and down smoothly, so this is the regulator. I need a new regulator.